My name is Richard Somerville. I'm going to give you directions to my office from the San Diego airport. When you land at the airport and rent a car, ask for directions to Interstate 5. Everybody knows how to get to I-5. And get on I-5 going north. After about 15 minutes, look for the exit La Jolla Village Drive and take that exit. When you get off the freeway, turn left. You'll be going west towards the ocean. You'll cross back over the freeway. And then keep on going on La Jolla Village Drive until you see the campus on your right. You'll go up a hill, and when it finally levels out, look for a sign to the left for the Stephen Birch Aquarium Museum, which is part of Scripps Institution of Oceanography where I work. Don't take that left turn. There's a light there, but go ahead until the next light, which is La Jolla Shores Drive. You'll at this point be on Torrey Pines Road, and turn left onto La Jolla Shores Drive. You'll be leaving the campus on your right. Follow La Jolla Shores Drive for about a half a mile. It will snake down through an S-curve until the road runs parallel to the ocean, and you'll see the Pacific in front of you. As soon as you come out of the S-curve, which will be just after some tennis courts, look to your left for a gray building called Nierenberg Hall. There's a very prominent sign, Nierenberg Hall, on the building itself. Turn left off La Jolla Shores Drive into the parking lot and park there, and then remember to get a parking permit. Find my office, take the elevator to the 4th floor. The building is a long rectangle. Go to the southwest corner of the 4th floor, that's the top floor. Look for room number 430, and you'll find in that room Carolyn Baxter, my administrative assistant. Ask her for a parking permit, go back down, put the permit on your car, go back up to the office, and then I'll have a cup of coffee ready for you. Thanks.